President, Dr. Leila F. Dinaque, and our CID Chief, Dr. Florin Cos, our SGOD Chief, Dr. Carlos Rancho C. Corridos. Third place, Best Feature Section, and a national qualifier, Falcon Memorial Elementary School, the Falcons Eye, Tago District. Requesting the school head, together with the PSDS, to claim the award. Third place, Best Science and Technology Section and a national qualifier, the Falcons Eye, Falcon Memorial Elementary School, Tago District. Second place, in pinakamahusay sa pahinang lathalain, Falcon Memorial Elementary School, Tago District. Second place, pahinang agham at teknolohiya and a national qualifier, ang mata ng Falcon, Falcon Memorial Elementary School, Tago District. Third place, pag-aanyo at disenyo ng pahina and a national qualifier, ang mata ng Falcon. Fourth placer, overall best school papers, the Falcons Eye, Falcon Memorial Elementary School. And third placer for the overall best school paper and a national qualifier. First place in column writing in a national qualifier, Falcon Memorial Elementary School. Congratulations. Fifth place, best in SciTech page and a national qualifier, Barabo National High School Inc. Spire, Barabo 1 District. Third place in editorial cartooning English, Barabo National High School, Barabo 1 District. Fifth place, pinakamahusay sa pahinang balita and a national qualifier, ang Kawayan Madrid National High School, Madrid District. First place in pagsulat ng opinion and a national qualifier, Caglayag Elementary School, Carrascal District. First place in pagsulat ng sports and a national qualifier, Eufemio B. Ariate Integrated School of Bayabas District. Florita H. Erizari National High School, first place in column writing and a national qualifier, Lanuza District. Third placer in editorial cartooning Filipino, Florita H. Erizari National High School, Lanuza District. First place in pagsulat ng editorial and a national qualifier, Tagbina National High School, Tagbina 1 District. Second place in pagsulat ng balita, Carrascal National High School, Carrascal District. District. Third place in pagsulat ng sports, Tigao National High School, Cortez District.
Gawas.
Next, we have the Regional Festival of Talents 2025 winners. First place in Likawitan and a national qualifier, Cantilan National High School, Cantilan District. Challenge and a national qualifier, Barubo Central Elementary School, Barubo 1 District. Second place in Musabaka Top during the RFT, Barubo 1 District, Barubo National Central Elementary School. In Pintahusay, Cantilan East Central Elementary School, Cantilan District. Fourth place in invitation card making using MS productivity tools, Hinatuan South Central Elementary School, Hinatuan South District. First place in Histopop Kasaysayan Quiz and a national qualifier, Tabuk Elementary School, Hinatuan, North District. Second place in Dirigmo Ganapco, Clarence T. Pimentel National High School, Tago District. Third place in Techno-Olympics, Dish Gardening, Gamot Technia School Incorporated, Tago District. Second place in Readathon English, Story Retelling, Bulhuon Elementary School, San Miguel 1 District. Second place in Tahirawan, Magruyong Elementary School, San Miguel 2 District. Third place in Readathon English, 5-minute Picha-Pucha, Lingig National High School, Lingig 1 District. Second place in Video Casilla, Tagbina National High School. Third place in Foreign Language Composition, Tagbina National High School. And third place in Foreign Language Exposition, Tagbina National High School, Tagbina 1 District. Third place in STEM Amazing, Madrid National High School, Madrid District. Second place in Techno-Olympics, Food Preparation and Presentation, Carmen Central Elementary School, Carmen District. Fifth place in Electrical Installation and Maintenance, Cantilan National High School, Cantilan District. Cantilan District.